You just need two ingredients, the tamanu butter and a mix of oils. So start with tamanu butter. This is a very soft butter. You go ahead and melt it very easily. Just do that with hot water. I don't recommend putting it in the microwave. You just add the mixture of oils. I already mixed it here. Mix thoroughly. After adding the oils to the melted tamanu butter, go ahead and put this in the fridge. So you know the steps if you've been watching us for a while now. So it's pretty much the same thing. You can leave this overnight because in the end it's still a soft butter. As you can see, it's very easy to work with. You go ahead and just whip it up. You can see it's a very fluffy, soft textured butter. A lot of people ask me how they can get their butters to be soft with a lotion kind of feel. So this is how you do it, because tamanu butter is a very soft butter naturally. You just add those oils that we have in the mix, and you're good to go pretty much. Those oils they work very well together to give you the desired texture. You can also see it has a yellowish kind of tint to it, very creamy and soft. You don't need to whip it for long at all. You can see everything is already nicely incorporated, very rich and creamy. So you can actually just pour this into a jar of your choice. That's just to show you how soft it is. It's very naturally soft after everything has been incorporated together. So I just pour this into a jar that I use for my hair mask, and you can see after a day or two it's still the same texture, very soft, very creamy as well.